How to change location on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the marketplace. Once you land to the marketplace, over here you will find this location option. Click on it. Now at the top you will see the search box. You can search location by city, neighborhood or zip code. For instance, I will be searching with zip code. Likewise, you can select if you want to see the listing from this general area, or you can custom local radius. I will be selecting suggested local radius. Now I can click on apply. With that, your location has been changed on Facebook Marketplace. Now you will be able to find the products from the specific area that you have just set. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can change location on Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.